How do building codes relate to OSHA requirements in construction? Have you ever wondered how building codes and safety regulations work together in the construction industry? Understanding this relationship is key for anyone involved in construction. Let's break it down. Building codes are rules set by local, state, or national authorities. They establish minimum standards for how buildings should be designed and constructed. These codes focus on aspects like structural integrity, fire safety, and accessibility. For instance, the International Building Code outlines specific requirements for stair design and guardrails to ensure safety for everyone using the building. On the other hand, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration focuses on protecting workers during construction. Their regulations address various hazards that workers might face on the job site. This includes fall protection, scaffolding safety, and equipment handling. The goal is to prevent injuries and illnesses among construction workers. So, how do these two sets of regulations connect? First, building codes mainly ensure the safety of the finished building for its occupants. In contrast, OSHA regulations are about keeping workers safe while they are building it. There are areas where both codes overlap, but they have different criteria. For example, stairways and guardrails need to meet building code standards for public safety and OSHA standards for worker safety during construction. Sometimes, OSHA standards may allow for more flexibility in temporary construction settings, while building codes might be stricter. Timing is another important factor. Building codes apply to the completed structure and are enforced through inspections before anyone can occupy the building. OSHA requirements are in effect throughout the entire construction process to protect workers on the site. Construction professionals must ensure that their designs comply with building codes and that their practices meet OSHA safety standards. For example, when installing equipment on a rooftop, the building code might dictate where guardrails should go. Meanwhile, OSHA may requiring additional fall protection measures during the installation process. For anyone pursuing a career in construction, it is essential to understand both building codes and OSHA regulations. This knowledge helps prevent accidents and ensures that projects are completed legally and safely. Recognizing how these regulations interact is vital for construction workers, supervisors, and safety managers alike. In summary, building codes and OSHA requirements serve different but complementary roles in construction. Building codes focus on the safety of the finished product, while OSHA emphasizes worker safety during the construction phase. Understanding both is key to maintaining safe job sites and compliant buildings.